Jarvis Park Pond, Hilton Head, South Carolina. Double-crested cormorants' relationship with the water-wading birds. Double-crested cormorants are very social. They can be found in small and large groups while breeding and during the winter. They breed in colonies and often feed in large flocks. Great Egrets. Snowy egrets, Anhinga, and Great Blue Herons stand around the lagoon's perimeter to snatch the fish fleeing the cormorant in the middle of the pond. The water-wading birds change sides of the lake as the double-created cormorant traverses the pond. A great blue heron joins the egrets. Water wader birds traverse back and forth in the pond. A skilled great egrets hover over the pond trying to snatch fish from the cormorants. The cormorants reposition themselves on the pond. They forage by diving and snatching fish. The great egrets and the great blue herons move to the most advantageous locations on the pond. Double-crested cormorants are colonial water birds that seek aquatic bodies big enough to support their mostly fish diet. In addition to fishing waters, cormorants need perching areas for a considerable amount of time spent resting each day. After fishing, cormorants retire to high, airy perches to dry off and digest their meals. While the cormorants are resting, the water waders take their positions on the pond's edge and wait for the cormorants' next foraging adventure. Double-crested cormorants' relationship with the water-wading birds. Jarvis Park Pond, Hilton Head, South Carolina.